We're being lovable.
Stupid ass laptop.
Are you being cute?
Alright, y'all. I got something to talk about real quick before I get started or not. Now, as of my last video, if y'all watched it, I'm allergic to kayak. And I was also wanting to know if y'all come, like say, I've been dipping right here in the front for the past 2-3 months, and my gum line has been receding, which is, I know that's normal, but it's also purple. Like, it's all purple, and it's very sensitive to the touch. So if y'all's gums are like that, or if y'all know anybody that has gums like that, comment below and let me know, because my mom's freaking out, and this is stressing me the fuck out, because she keeps trying to tell me to quit dipping, but my shit ain't gonna stop it. Alright folks, I have a Copac and Southern Blend, but I ain't gonna do that in this video right now. And I apologize because last night I was gonna do a video, but I had a little bit of family issues and it just got blown out of the water. Hold on, y'all. Okay, damn it. Sorry, I'm not using my laptop right now because the quality of the camera sucks. Fuck! Stay still. Thank you. So, last night, yesterday, after I got out of the doctor, my dad took away my kayak. And then he brought me home this last night. Uncorrect. That's why this daily vlog or whatever's going on, so I can crack it. Anyway, today I'm not going to dip in the front, I'm going to dip on the side. But before we crack and put a pinch in, I'm going to show y'all how I clean my funnel. Y'all can tell it's quite nasty. A couple things you'll need. It's very simple. Even peroxide will work. Rubbing alcohol. And napkins napkins. Now what I do is just I'll take a couple of napkins. Like that. Let me open this shit. Kind of soak the napkins. Just clean it. Because I don't like spitting that nasty ass funnel. I got a goatee going on, and you know, it gets on your goatee from when you're driving down the road with your windows rolled down. You don't want to spit too far away, because then your spit will sit there and fly everywhere, so you're going to want to get close to it, and I don't want that shit getting my goatee. Wipe it out. Not that dirty, but a lot much better than it was. Toss it out of the way. Get a napkin. Just don't want to get high off these damn fumes. Wipe it, dry it off, whatever. And then you got a nice clean funnel. Spit it. Put that shit back. Damn it. Anyway. Let's crack this can and put a pinch in. I haven't had grizzly in a while, especially straight. So Yeah. Uncorrect. Yes, I tilt it upside down. It's much easier to crack. Instead of going like that. It's just much easier going like that. Start with the barcode. Well, I always do. Because the barcode's the hardest part to get across. So just start with that. See? Then you crack the shit, just made an indentation. That's why I was saying always start with the barcode. Get that crack good. There you go. There you go. You know how to crack a fucking can. If you don't, get off my goddamn channel. Always, for grizzly, that has like a plastic wrapped around it, whatever you want to call it. After I crack it, I like to twist it and make sure it's cracked right. A little crack. Alright folks, let's pack us a 10 and fill up a lip. And I will make a shit, I don't know what to call it. A little intro for my YouTube channel here soon, hopefully. That should be good enough. That's not really packed good. Sorry y'all, I punched the wall the other day, as you can tell. So a couple fingers are broken. And I can't pack with my left hand. I always learn how to pack with my right. I'm a righty. I do the side pack. There's a couple ways to do the side pack. I mean, some people do it like that, just pack it. Some people do it like that, pack it. I do it with my thumb, much easier. I bought my thumb out of socket, so it's double jointed. It's much easier to do it that way. There you go. Now it's packed. Let's load this up. Oh my goodness. Stitching. Let's load this little lip here. Pinchability of grizzly is. Well, I'll talk more about that later on tonight. I'll give a review on grizzly later on tonight. Because my brother's wanting to do a pinch of grizzly too, because we haven't had it in a while. Instead of dipping in the front, I'm just going to dip it on the side. It's front, like I said, my gum line is just completely sore and it's purple and it's sensitive to the touch, y'all. Since it's on the gum side right there, let's load up a little bit. You know, get another little pinch going on here. That's a little lip filler. There you go. I like to fill my lip up. But that's grizzly for you. It's a little juicy. Nah, it's juicy as Copenhagen, though. I'll tell you that. You know, my favorite dips. All-time favorite, Copenhagen. Second will probably have to be Red Seal. Third will probably have to be Grizzly. And we all know kayak's out of the fucking picture. And Timberwolf, I can't remember how that tastes like or whatever. I only had 1 or 2 cans of that before. And so I need to get me another can of that and do a review on that.
Hey, you got PC? Yeah, you do. Don't want to kick your butt.
We all know Longhorn is at the very bottom of the list, y'all. So far it's been 2 minutes since this video. Showed y'all how to clean the funnel. God. Sorry, y'all. Feel like I have to sneeze. I hate that.
Hey, you want hamburger?
And I sneezed anyway. Still having allergic reactions to the kayak. That's all I got to say. My chest is still broke out really bad. It's all red and shit. I'm supposed to go back to the doctor sometime this week. Or I think Monday or Tuesday I'm going back to the doctor. And get my blood work back and everything else. Because the redness is spreading, y'all. The rash, it stopped, but the redness is spreading all the way up, down my arms, down my chest, my rib cage, all the way down my back. Like, looks like I sat in the sun for about 48 hours. And, you know, I don't mind my shoulders and chest being red, but I haven't been out in the sun not much, so I know it's not as tan or farmer's tan. Got the real tree shirt on. Gotta rock that real tree somehow. Pants, hat, whatever. Gotta rock the little buck antler, of course. And like I said, I ain't gonna talk too much about this grizzly because I'm doing it tonight. And I'll do a review on it tonight. Even I got something special for y'all tonight. It has to do something with Copenhagen Summer Plan. If I choose to do that tonight, then my brother's gonna do grizzly tonight with me, so he'll be able to give y'all a review on it. But my thing is, I'll go ahead and give y'all a review on it. So I'm thinking I might do the little special blend of Copenhagen I made tonight. The pinchability is alright. Y'all seen it. Packability is alright. You know, it's juicy. You really get flavor out of it. Grizzly, their flavors are always strong. So if you're a beginner, I would not recommend Grizzly at all. I recommend Southern Blend Copenhagen. Not only because I like it, but because it has a strong flavor, but you can't taste the tobacco in it whatsoever. It tastes like tea and peaches. But if y'all can't afford Grizzly, Copenhagen Southern Blend, hold on, Greg, how was Grizzly mint? Strong flavor?
I'd say that'd be a good dip for if you want to dig, you want to start digging more dip. I'd put my $10 in the flavor. Because it's kind of weak, it's still a little bit. That gets you like something flavor.
Like I said, if you're beginning to get Copenhagen Southern Blend, can't afford that. Grizzly's normally cheap. They have these trial offers or whatever, 50 cents off. No, I'm not a big fan of mint at all whatsoever. The first dip my brother tried was wintergreen. It was too strong for him. He threw up. He got sick. That was the last time he dipped until like 5 months later. And then he went out and bought himself a can of Grizzly mint. And he said, he just sat there and said if y'all didn't hear him or not. Nah, it's kind of a weak flavor, so I guess it'll be a good starter dip. I only had one can of grizzly mint before, and I gave it to my brother because I did not like it whatsoever. I can't remember why. I'm not a big fan of mint. I haven't tried Stoker's mint or Copenhagen mint yet, but I'm not sure if I want to try any mint besides Copenhagen mint. But yeah, I'm trying to think of what else I was gonna put in this video because like I was saying last night, I don't have anything scripted. Not last night, but not before. I don't have anything scripted. I don't plan these videos out. I just hit record and talk about what the fuck ever I want to talk about. Sorry, y'all. My voice has been cracking, changing, and everything else. Anyway, I might end this video here in a minute if I can't figure out what to talk about. I hope y'all really enjoy the music in the background. I kind of figure something in the background. Just instead of me talking. So I hope y'all like it. If y'all have any questions about the song or the band or whatever, just leave a comment below. I'll tell y'all. I always give a shout out. That's right. Almost forgot. Giving a shout out to Darcy for his mud jug company. Perfect. You gotta have one. If you don't have one, you're not a real dipper. You use a bottle or a cup, man. Throw your fucking can away. It's smell resistant. It's spill resistant.
What?
You can't see the spit, which is most of your family members and loved ones or anyone that you're around. They think seeing your spit is just disgusting, so it's perfect. Yes, they do make mud jugs. They just now started making mud jugs. I fit cup holders because there's some people out there that sit there and whines and complain saying that my mud jug won't fit my cup holder in my truck or car. But what? The mud jug has a weight at the bottom of it, y'all. You keep it self-balanced. No matter what you do, it keeps it self-balanced. So even if it does fall out of your cup holder, it's just gonna bounce right back up. And that's about it. Now if I carry it around, I gotta fix it up, the belt strap broke, because I mostly sleep with it on me. So, gotta sew that shit back up. You gotta give me a new knot period because it has a Velcro strap on it for an extra thing to keep it secure, but the Velcro part came off. Tip broke the other day, and it's a good knife. It's old. It's about 5 years old, I guess, and it's my knife I use a lot. Yeah, I gotta sew that shit back up. I know I look like trash right now. My goatee and shit look like trash. Well, I gotta trim it up. But I've been meaning to trim it up for this past couple days, but with this rash going off. Hey, get away! Get away! Sorry, y'all. Cat's inside here has a little fight going on.
So with him, no.
But with this allergic reaction to this kayak, I don't want to take the chance of shaving because it's all over my neck and my cheeks and everything. We looked it up today to see if it has to do with anything with like, I forgot. Something like cancer or something like that. My gums and just how my body's reacting to it and everything else. Well, my mom searched it up because, like I said, she overreacts about everything. Put it this way, she don't like me going out in the woods anymore because I got staples in my head. Not that long ago, because I was at a bayou and it was woods, and me and my friend and my sister went down there and I found this ditch. You know, big ass ditch, just hidden in the woods, hidden in the tree lines right there next to the bayou. So me and my friend Caleb went down there, and pitch black. Didn't have, all I had was a knife, so no flashlights out. We couldn't see shit, and there was a nail or something hanging from the top of it that sliced my head right open. Came home, Mom freaked out. Had to get staples in my head. Ever since then, she swears up and down now I'm not allowed to go back up in the forest or woods or anything like that again, but I still do. It's the only place where I feel relaxed at. You know, it just runs in my blood. That every time I think of woods and everything, I think of home. Now, back to the shout out. I got carried away. Y'all go check out Darcy's channel. He'll tell you all about mud jugs and everything. Oh yeah, wait. Like I was saying, they made a mud jug for a cup holder. It's called a roadie. Check out his channel. He talks about it. Same thing as Outlaw's channel. It's hard to explain. I wish I had one to show y'all, but you know, I'm not big. I don't want to offend people, but I'm not a big, I don't get butt hurt over my mud jug falling off the damn cup holder. Because most of the time, my cup holder will go to like right here to my mud jug. And with the weight in the bottom of it, it won't fall over unless I take a hard turn. Which is, even if it does fall over, it don't spill. It just tilts right back up. I'll just pick it up, sit it back. So I don't have the roadie. No point in me having a roadie. I mean, I'll probably get one later on because, you know, just to help Darcy out with his company and everything else once I get a job and get back on my feet. I'm definitely not going to be getting a whole lot more mud jugs for a fact because I love them. And, you know, Real Tree Camos, it's my favorite. It's my favorite everything. But there's some mud jugs out there I like. I like every single one he makes. And if I had the money, I'd buy every single one he makes. But shit. Yeah, y'all know how the government is and the economy and shit going down. It's hard to find a fucking job and everything else. Anyway, so go check out his YouTube channel, Mudjug1 channel. Mudjug1, no spaces, no capital letters. And then go check out Outlaw's channel, Outlawdipper. And then Outlaw has a second channel. It's called Live to Thrill. No spaces. Okay, all these channels I'm giving you is no spaces. Unless I say there is. Live to Thrill. Live, not the letter 2, and then thrill. And then I'm going to give a shout out to my friend Donnie. So hopefully he'll get some more subscribers, some views, and everything else. Now his channel does have a space in it. Don, D-O-N space D-I-P-P-R. My bad, folks. Outlawdipper. So go check them out. Go get yourself a mud jug at mudjug.com. Or you can go to Outlaws channel. Outlaws page, but he shares a page with Redneck Nation, y'all, which is, it's pretty cool. So just go to rednecknation.com, or and you can find Outlaws website on there, or you can just simply type in, I believe his channel is Keep It Freaking Hip. His website's keepitfreakingHillbilly.com. I'm not sure. I can't remember. I normally go to rednecknation.com. They have some cool ass dip gear there, man. They got the shirts, they got the hats, they got the beanies, they got everything. They got stickers. Same thing as Mojo One, y'all. If y'all don't know, if y'all don't like the warning labels, they Mojo One website, mudjug.com, they sell covers for your cans, so that way you can cover up that stupid ass warning label. Or y'all can just go to northerner.com, and you can order all kinds of dip there, and then they have some old cans that don't have the warning label on them. It's pretty cool. But he's asking for a pinch right now. What do y'all think I should? Should I? What's in it for me? Might as well be generous, huh? Alright. Go to northerner.com. All kinds of dip there. But I looked up on just Copenhagen. One Copenhagen can is like $4 something or $5 something. Until you hit the checkout, and then you'll see the shipping and handling. It's fucking 14 something, 15 something for the shipping and handling. So it'll come out to like $20 for one can. So I'm just like, holy fuck. It's like, never mind now, I'll just stick to my normal gas station. And yeah, man, just go check out their channels, go check out their websites. I'm not sure if I can add a description in this video because I'm on my tablet. But if I can, I'll try. I'll put the links down there. I can't really figure out how to put the links down there to where y'all can just click on them. So y'all gonna have to copy and paste them. Because I'm new to this YouTube shit. So yeah, I give it time. I'll figure out how I'll make it easier for y'all. Right now, I'm trying to work on the fucking what's it called? The little banner thing for your YouTube channel, because I hate the one I have now. I can't figure out how in the hell to change it or get new banners. I know how to work on electronics, but I just don't know how to fucking I know how to use them, I know how to work on them, I just don't know when it comes to YouTube and all that kind of shit. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Anyway, y'all. So if y'all guns are purple, like you can see a little bit of purple. Y'all guns are purple right there. Leave a comment. Help me out, man. Please help me out, y'all. So my mom won't stop tripping out, flipping shit on me. Because she's trying to get me to stop dipping. That's not gonna happen. Hell, when they bury me or cremate me, they're gonna have to throw a can of dip up in there, can of Copenhagen up in there. Other than that, I believe that's it for this video. Until tonight, y'all. I'll try to make a video tonight. I know I've been saying I'll make one, but I just been having family issues with my father, and it's been chaotic. So hopefully there won't be no drama going on tonight. Hopefully I'll make time to do the video. I know I've been seeing my baby girl at night, spending time with her, and then normally after I spend time with her, after she falls asleep and everything, that's when I do the YouTube videos. So hopefully tonight I'll have time. I'll be able to make y'all a video with my brother, keep y'all entertained, because apparently I have some friends that say that last video I did with me and my brother, they liked it. They got a couple laughs out of it and everything else. So I might add him in a couple videos, and I'll try to keep up these daily vlogs, whatever you want to call them. It's not really a daily vlog when it's 31 minutes long, but just to keep y'all updated with some stuff. But I'll see y'all tonight. I'll try to see y'all tonight. Hit that subscribe button. Go check out the other links and stuff I told y'all. Mudjug1 channel, no spaces. Mudjug1, no spaces. Outlawdipper, no spaces. Live to Thrill. Live, letter 2, Thrill, no spaces. Don Dipper, space. D-O-N, space, Dipper. And then, yeah. The Mudjugs, mudjug1.com. Or you can get an outlaw mudjug from rednecknation.com. You log on to there. You scroll all the way down, you'll see Outlaws page or website, and you just click on that, and you can get some outlaw gear, which you see has a mudjug of his own on there. But you can also get it on mudjug1.com too. But if y'all want it to be signed by Outlaw, I think he does that still. I think he still signs his mudjugs if y'all order it from his site. But yeah, he has some cool gear on there. My girl wants a hoodie that says Mother Trucker on it from his website, which is once when I get the money for her, I'm gonna get her. And then I want a couple shirts from his website, and I want a couple shirts from Redneck Nation's website. So go check them out. They have some pretty cool stuff. Even if y'all don't have the money, go check them out. Maybe you know birthdays coming around. Christmas will be here soon. As long as you let the year pass by, you never know. Might come across some money, might come across some gifts. Alright folks, that's all for right now. I hope this microphone's working on my tablet. I tested it out earlier, it worked, sort of, I think. Well, as of right now, I gotta go. Remember, if you ain't taking a pinch, you're a little bitch.